Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wallet for cryptocurrency. First, understand that a crypto wallet doesn't hold your digital currency directly. Instead, it securely stores the private keys essential for accessing your assets on the blockchain. Think of it as your personal access code. We'll explore the different types available and help you choose the best option for your needs, ensuring your digital funds are safe and accessible. When choosing a wallet, you'll encounter two main categories: hot and cold. Hot wallets are online, like those on exchanges, offering easy access for frequent transactions. Cold wallets, however, are offline, providing a much higher level of security against cyber threats. Hardware wallets, a form of cold storage, are physical devices that keep your private keys completely isolated from the internet, making them ideal for larger holdings. Setting up your wallet involves a few crucial steps. First, select a trusted provider that aligns with your security and usage preferences. Next, download their official application or acquire a genuine hardware wallet. The most critical step is backing up your seed phrase, a sequence of 12 to 24 words. This phrase is your ultimate recovery key. Keep it safe and offline, as losing it means losing access to your funds. Maintaining strong security is paramount for your cryptocurrency wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of protection. Crucially, never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. These are the keys to your digital vault. For those who love to learn and read on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Stay vigilant and keep your assets secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.